Hey guys, so I wanted to take this moment to go over some quick wins that you can get for your cleaning business using Highlevel. So a good amount of you guys already purchased the software and actually using it, to do prospecting for potential partners like realtors and property managers. But there's a few other things that I also want to mention that are very, very important. And these features actually allow you to get very quick wins. So let's go over them. So one of the things that I love about this, right, is the missed call text back. And essentially what happens is that if someone, let's say a customer, calls the office and for some reason my VA or the other two VA, they're already on a call, and then they cannot answer it, right? What's going to happen? Highlevel is going to send a text back to that number who just called to say, "Hey, we just missed your call. How can I help?" If you see, that's very powerful because let's say if you're busy on the phone, right, and you get another call and it's a potential customer and he couldn't get to you, right, but you send them a text right away, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, okay," and I promise you, they're gonna start texting you back. So essentially, you save a call that it was totally lost, and then you turn that missed call into a text conversation, and then you have a better opportunity to close even more deals. So that's super, super important and very, very cool. The other one is the web chat widget, right? And this is a two-way text SMS. This is what's different between other chat widgets. Essentially, an average chat widget, it will pop up on the customers on the company website, and then in order for you to actually chat with that person, you have to be on that company website in order to reply back and forth, right? And it's not very convenient. This chat bubble is different because as soon as they enter their information, you can text them back to their phone, so they receive the conversation. They don't need to be on your website. This initiates a text conversation. And not only that, every time someone contacts you through the chat, it creates a contact record of your CRM, which we all know we need to start growing so we can potentially later offer our services. So this is one of the best things also that I've come across. I showed you in an earlier video, I think from the moment we installed the web chat to like last week, we had over 2,200 chats initiated from the website. Pretty amazing. Another feature that is also included on Highlevel is the ability to connect multiple channels. For example, one of the best ones it's Google My Business. So this is recent. You allow people to actually chat with you through Google Maps app, and you can reply to these people using your Google Maps app, right? Your conversations are kind of all over the place. So what Highlevel does is connects to your Google My Business, and then also the conversations that come from it, it will show up on your CRM. And on top of that, you actually can create some automations. Let's say someone contacts you and you're like doing something else, you can tell Highlevel, "Hey, respond to this person, while I finish." So you keep that conversation going. And essentially, one of the best things that I really find very useful, because I'm not chasing the information all over the place, is that you have like an Omnichannel. So this is where you have all the phone calls, the recordings, the text messages, the Google My Business chat, the email communication, the Facebook Messenger, and the Instagram direct messages. So essentially, it's you can use your app so you can all see the conversations that are happening, right? So it's super convenient to just have one conversation in one place. Another super important, right? So we all need to focus and collect as many reviews as possible, because essentially more reviews means more revenue for the business. So it should be one of your best or your priorities to get as many reviews as possible. Now, there's softwares out there that like Nice Job and other ones that work. I used to use them, but you're already paying for a software that it's a fraction of the cost that any other ones, get so many much features, and then one of them is actually automate the review, generate reviews automatically. So this is also included in the software. This is fantastic because you can also monitor the reviews that are coming in, but also you can dispute them right there from the app. And then this one, I think this is super worth mentioning. I haven't made any much mention about this, but this is so powerful, right? So Jex essentially, it's a company that it essentially they populate your information from your business into hundreds of online directories. This essentially helps you on your search engine optimization, so you show up higher in rankings on Google, because Google crawls all these other sites, right? So if your information from your business is correct and exists in all the available sites, then Google like, okay, this is a legit business, and it's going to start showing you, a little higher. So it's super automated, hands off. All you need to just purchase. This software will take care of it, right? So it generates the listings and citations across hundreds of listings. And then this is the whole thing, right? So I'm selling Jex for $47 per month. Think about this. It's super affordable for all what you're getting, because if you go to Jex directly, the regular price is $83 a month. With a yearly commitment, you actually have to purchase the entire year in advance, and I think it's $999 to be correct. That comes to be to $83 per month. For $47, you're getting the same features. Let me show you actually what the pricing looks like. Jex pricing. So there you go. So essentially, the package that I'm reselling is the premium one, which is $19 per week, or $999 annually. So think about it. You're getting that for like half the price. Definitely a no-brainer. And this essentially will help you rank higher in all the listings. So it's not just one, but Bing, Yahoo, and whatnot. And this is like another one just recently featured that were added. I'm gonna start using it this week. I was using another software called Hootsuite to essentially pre-program social media postings for Facebook and Google My Business. But Highlevel also come up with that, so I'm gonna cancel Hootsuite, and then I'm gonna actually start using the social planner inside Highlevel, because essentially what's going to happen is that I'm going to have my VA just preload the content for the month, and then for the coming months, and the system is going to continue posting for us automatically. All right, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if you have any questions regarding the software, please reach out to me. I'm going to leave the link below to the software one if you want to take care of it. Purchase it, and if you want to also get my snapshot, so essentially my copy and paste funnels and campaigns, also leave the link below so you can purchase from there. And then if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I hope you guys have an excellent weekend.